Brought to you by Fanta. So today we're out on the field of dreams. Got a lot of storm energy. The clouds are forming for a rain. This is what I wanted to do for a while. This is a very simple and basic circuit. Not complicated and easy to construct so that we can demonstrate that radiant energy can directly recharge a regular chemical battery. This is the radiant energy tube, bifiller coil, black bifiller coil around a magnet. Now this magnet is going to be directly in the electrolyte of a chemical battery, and it's going to restore it. The black wire is bifiller, the flat copper spiral is around the magnet. That flat copper spiral will directly energize the battery electrolyte between this aluminum strip of foil and this copper strip of foil. This is the grounding. The grounding also has a bifiller coil acting as a capacitor and an inductance. Fanta. Don't worry, it's not actually Fanta. I dumped out the crap stuff and filled it with pond water, so it's actually better than Fanta. It's now set to measure amperage. And an increase in amperage because I'm adjusting the connections here on the radiant tube. Make sure the contacts are secure to the radiant energy tube. That's boosted the amperage in the battery cell. And make sure the grounding is stabilized. See this end of the copper wire here to the grounding, that's what I want exposed to the metal. Make sure that that's in actual physical contact with the metal to provide the good grounding. There we go. That too is increase the amperage. What happens is high frequency cosmic radiation, radiant energy, intersects the tube, gets downshifted and converted to a more regular current. The bifiller coils act as both a capacitor and an inductance in the circuit. The energy flows down through the radiant energy tube into the magnet and then into the ground. This circuit wants to just flow from its aerial to its ground. That's its natural flow. So what I've done is I've just made it so it can flow in its regular circuit, and as a side effect it'll affect that magnet and therefore dump energy into the cell. As you can see, what happens here is it goes up and down the amperage output of this battery cell, and the up and down motion is because energy is being transferred into the cell from the outside, the radiant energy. I went up to 9 briefly.